How to sort MongoDB with pymongo. I'm trying to use the sort feature when querying my MongoDB, but it is failing. The same query works in the MongoDB console but not here. Code is as follows. The error I get is as follows. I found a link elsewhere that says I need to place a U in front of the key if using pymongo, but that didn't work either. Anyone else get this to work, or is this a bug?
.sort, in pymongo, takes key and direction as parameters. So if you want to sort by, let's say, ID, then you should .sort underscore I.d1 for multiple fields.
You can try this. This also works. I'm using this in my code. Please comment if I'm doing something wrong here. Thanks.
Why Python uses list of tuples instead dict? In Python, you cannot guarantee that the dictionary will be interpreted in the order you declared. So, in Mongo shell you could do .sort field 1 column 1, field 2 column 1, and the interpreter would sort field 1 at first level and field 2 at second level. If this syntax was used in Python, there is a chance of sorting by field 2 at first level. With tuple, there is no such risk.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.